what are we going to do today? What is our budget? Are you sure? Shake it out a little bit. Okay, so I guess we have to go do free things. Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Did you find something for free?
Well, I guess we could go to church.
Okay.
Um,
It is free?
yeah, it's free to go to the churches here in Vilnius, and lots of them are very beautiful inside, outside. This is the Cathedral Church of Vilnius, and it looks a little bit like a Roman temple. I think they think they're Romans, but it's beautiful inside, and it's something you can do for free.
Okay. What did you find this time?
Okay, this is also free,
Okay.
and this is a monument to the defense of the Lithuanian parliament, the Seimas, in the 90s when the Soviet Union was falling apart. Lithuania was the first member state to declare independence, and the Soviet authorities responded by invading Vilnius and trying to depose the government. And Lithuanians built barricades to protect the Seimas building and pieces of these barricades are now part of the monument.
And we try to find some free things to do here in Vilnius. We are thinking that here is in the hill, it's like three crosses, right?
Yeah, it's the Three Crosses monument over
Monuments. So yeah, this is the start. But also we find something else.
Mhm.
If you if you have time, a lot of time, you can start walking from here to Riga with but
With
not
an ox cart.
okay with what?
Ox cart.
Yeah.
Mhm. So, where do I flip? Mhm. So, yeah, 10 days to Riga. Wait,
Yeah.
wait.
What do you think if you try to walk? How many days you will need? If it's 10 days with
Probably less because ox cart is slower than walking.
really
Well, oxes are very slow animals.
10 days. Okay.
They don't rush.
So you want to try?
No.
Okay. We will.
But we are going to climb to the top of this hill.
Yeah.
sacred grove of the Lithuanian folk religion, where historically the kings and dukes of Lithuania were burned according to the funerary tradition. They would be burned here and their ashes thrown into the Neris River, in what is one of Europe's lost pagan faiths. And the sacred fire is still here thanks to the Agnia Society.
It's another free thing to do here in Vilnius. You can borrow the book from the outside library, and you can read it in this spot here. So the thing here is a lot of books are in Lithuanians, but you can find some books also in English and in other languages like Polish, I think, and Ukrainian, something like that. Okay, and here you can read it in this spot behind. Okay, a very useful fact. Every Sunday here in Vilnius, all museums are free and you can enter for free. So,
This is the
yeah.
National Art Museum of Lithuania, and the exhibition we had here was the work of Stasys Ušinskas, who was not only a painter, he was also working with stained glass, puppets, and very interesting things. Okay, so we are in the courtyard of the presidential palace of Lithuania, and you can see the palace right there, and it's open to the public sometimes. For work days after 6 p.m. Lithuanian time, and for weekends almost the entire day. So
You can play check here. You can enjoy sitting in the garden. Or
you can try calling the president to come out and play.
yeah,
He doesn't come out and play. The
yeah.
chief of staff does not allow him to. So
Okay.
here in Lithuania, they have a prototype Stargate, which, if I enter it, I can go into currently America. It's very dark in there. It's, I think, 6 in the morning on the East Coast, but this could be elsewhere in America. Or it could just be a portal that allows you to see into the other city and the other city to look into yours. And it's very interesting, very, very, very touristy, I have to say, but in a good way. Very,